guys! Welcome to Waray Waray Mama's YouTube channel. Ayan. Today, JP wants to go to the creek. I don't know what's in the creek, but he wants to go. But we're gonna watch out for a snake. Because got a lot of snake in here. Okay. JP, watch out for a snake. It's hurt. It's early in the morning.
Oh, it's flooding. It's just lower down. It's lower and lower down.
Wow, there's a rainbow. There's a rainbow. I like that rainbow. Say cheese. 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 There's so many frogs. There's so many frogs. What you gonna do here?
Don't hold mine.
I know, but look. Your camera is backwards. You do that. You do that.
What
What you doing? What you
I'm
doing?
like looking at the water.
You're vlogging? You're vlogging?
Yeah. I'm going
Yeah.
to stick in the water. There's no fish in here. Nope.
There's no fish.
Nope. It floats.
Is it floating?
Yeah.
Is it floating?
Yeah.
What you say something in your camera? What you say something in your camera?
Nothing. We move this away.
Why?
I don't want to on the water.
What you doing?
Listen what?
Listen
And listen to a leaf dropping.
It's no water right there, and this one is the only got some water,
Yeah.
a little bit of water. But that side don't have in. But that side don't have in.
Any water? Mommy, check over there. They do not have any water.
Why you want to do your vlog in the forest? Why you want to do your vlog in the forest?
That's why I
JP.
want to.
You want to?
You want to do your vlog in the forest?
You want to do your vlog in the forest? You gonna be an adventurer?
Get that guy. How you do that? You see something?
You can cross in here.
Let me try. Whoa, it's dry. It's dry.
Is it what? Ah, spider web. Be careful. Dami man.
Grab that stone.
Oy, something digging in here. It's got a truck.
Yeah, one's up here.
The creek is so dry. No more water.
Oh,
Where are we going? Where are you gonna do your vlog?
here.
Where are you gonna do your vlog?
Here.
In the forest? Why? Why in the forest? Why?
That
Why in the
one
forest?
mountain.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. What you doing? What you doing?
Ugh. Jump off and hold on. We're gonna get back up. We're gonna get back up.
You cannot get back up.
And do it this side. Let's go this side. Exactly. It's good. Water. It's mud. It's mud flying. When it's rain, it's the
Warak-warak na yung camera. Where you going?
going
Where
here.
you going?
What? Going
Okay, ining akong vlogger.
What?
Where we going now? Going back there? Going back there? Uh-oh, so many frogs.
Mama.
Mm.
You want to cross that bridge? What?
I don't know. You cannot cross that bridge. It's a lot of water.
That one. That one. Let's go around the tree. And
Careful with the snake.
have the water over there. Have no water over there.
I know, but it's you're gonna
Some a little bit
it's
water.
got some a little bit water. And you're gonna be stuck
Oh.
in there.
Yeah. Yeah. That is a mud hole. I'm going to sink. I'm
Right
going
there.
to sink.
Huy. Huy.
JP.
JP.
Let's go. Let's go. There. What's going on?
Nagturoy-turoy sa kagubatan.
Oh.
Nagturoy-turoy na dito sa kagubatan. Nagbantay.
What?
Nagbantay o
Ow. Mama, a deer been here. Whoa. It's amazing up here.
Yeah? O pwede sa Saturday sa hapon.
Oh, my little hole.
Oo.
Go this way. giant stick. Mom, I see giant stick.
Pwede ra sad, oo. Yeah.
You made them get back home. Here. Come here and
We made it back home. Wow. Is it amazing? Yeah.
Let's make it back
Amazing being in the outdoor. No. In the forest. Okay. See, bye-bye.
Bye.
If you're not subscribed to our channel,
My face on our channel.
please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
And don't forget the tiny bell.
Yeah, and a big bell too. And
You
you
will be-
can watch my videos whenever you want to.
See, bye.